Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Spanish rice gets its yellow color from saffron. Mexican rice, meanwhile, takes on a unique color thanks to the inclusion of cumin. Likewise, they have different mouthfeels. Spanish rice tends to be more firm, whereas Mexican rice is softer and almost melts in your mouth.
Take our lead.
What kind of rice is best for Mexican rice? This recipe calls for long-grain white rice, which is the best for an authentic Mexican rice recipe. However, I have used jasmine rice in its place and it comes out fine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Problem: the rice is cooked but too wet. Solution: uncover the pot and cook over low heat to evaporate the water. Or gently turn the rice out onto a baking sheet and dry it in a low oven. Problem: the grains are split and the rice is mushy.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
3 easy ways to make a boring pot of rice taste amazing. Toast the grains. Toasting the dry rice grains in a little butter or olive oil before adding the water brings out their flavor and adds a fantastic nutty note in the finished dish. Cook the rice with chicken or vegetable broth. Season the rice with what you're cooking.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Paella. The traditional recipe calls for rabbit, snails and large green beans and is cooked over an open fire in a thin, round pan known as a paella. That's right, the name for Spain's most famous rice dish actually comes from the pan it is cooked in.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.